My name is Dr. Judith Bannerman and I'm the Senior Building and Facilities Manager for Operations for the building, and I've been involved with the project since January 2025. The thing that makes this facility so special is the fact that we've got really wide open labs. We've got spaces where we're doing specific research, where we can talk to each other about adapting our research, but it's also about the light and the space and actually having a really nice environment for people to work in. It's being moved now because the building obviously has just become complete, and we are now moving into the lab so we can expand our research in all sorts of different directions and really ramp up what biology and experimental psychology are doing. What I'm looking forward to most in the new space is having state-of-the-art research facilities, state-of-the-art labs, new teaching spaces that will actually be able to inspire the next generation into science. And I think it's just going to be overall a really great space for the public to also come to and see what we can do here at Oxford. The new space will change things for our students because we've got bigger labs, we've got bigger teaching spaces, they've got more modern equipment. For our researchers, they are getting bigger lab spaces, they have the ability to then speak to each other, collaborate with each other, new equipment. They're ramping up their research, they're going to be able to do a lot more in those spaces, and having those open plan labs really means that they can collaborate a lot better. The biggest challenge in moving something like this is how complicated it is. It takes a lot of organization, military precision in order to get the labs in place, get the equipment in place, and then get the people in place. And it's not just about lab equipment, it's also about people. And it's about winning their hearts and minds and making sure their moves are moving easily and they're in their new offices and they're happy in those spaces. Johnson's have been really good about the moving process, actually. They've been there to meet with us weekly so we can go through what needs to change, what's happening, any hiccups that have happened, and then iron those out. You know, often it's one office is not quite ready to move, they haven't packed up quite yet. Can we help them pack up? Yes, we can help them pack up, and then we can work out what those issues are. They've been here to look at a lot of the equipment because we have very complicated equipment, things that need specialists moving, and they've been able to organize a lot of those so we can actually move the labs in different sections and make sure we can get up and running as soon as we can. I'd sum up the move in one sentence by saying it has been a complicated but exciting move with its own special challenges, but with a team that really have pulled all the stops out to make sure it goes well. Things that I'd like to share about the move is just that we do have a really great bunch of people who have come behind the scenes that often are not seen by the academics and other people who do all the moves, and they don't realize how complicated or how difficult that is and how much time that takes to actually organize it, and that we've all pulled together to make sure it happens.